guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a hair spa at home, and I'm just going to take you through all the steps that I do to take care of my hair. As you all know that I have already colored my hair, so yes, I'm going to do that. And a lot of you guys asked me on Instagram like what hair products do I use and all those sort of things, and how do I take care of my long hair and all that. So I thought that I should make a video on that. So yeah, I'm just going to start doing it, and I'm just going to use few ingredients, and quickly let's start. And first of all, I'm just going to do chumpy of my hair, and for that I'm just going to use this parachute coconut oil. I'm just going to do that. And yeah, so let's just get started with the chumpy process. So as I just showed you that I'm going to do chumpy of my hair or with this parachute coconut oil. So there is no such process, like no such method that the way I um, like do chumpy to my hair. I just take the sections and just try and cover all the whole head with the oil, and I just quickly massage it. So this is the way I just do it. I just take few sections like this and just take 2 to 3 drops of the oil and just apply it all over my head like this. Come on. So this is how my hair looks like. I have also applied it on my roots, like up to here. So now I'm just going to put this in a bun, then wait for 1 hour, and then I'm going to apply the mask. So this is the bun. Yes. So I will keep like this for 1 hour, and then I will be applying the mask, and then I will showing you the procedure after 1 hour. So yeah, let's meet after an hour. So guys, I am back after 1 hour, and now I am just going to apply mask on my face, and the mask includes a half banana. I have already mashed it, and 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil again. So this is how the whole paste looks like. Now honey I have, that was organic honey. So if it is not available with you, then you can use it, the ready-made one, the Dabur or whatever brand you want to use it. But I have, since I had the organic one, I'm going to use that. I have mixed all this, the 3 ingredients. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my hair, and now I'm going to again apply this all over my hair. For this, I am also going to apply it onto my roots, and I am just going to take it on my fingers. I'm just going to apply it like this. Yes. I'm also going to apply it, mostly I'm going to concentrate it onto my roots, especially. That means on the outer layer of my hair. I'm not taking I mean applying it with any system or something of that sorts. I'm just going to try and cover all of my hair. So yes, I am applying it onto my roots, and I'm using banana because it gives a very nice shine the honey will give a like good nourishment to my hair, and coconut oil again is very healthy for your hair, so I'm just going to apply it all over it. And I think you should do this at least say once a month. Well, I get time once a month, so I just do it, apply it all over my hair at least once a month, so it becomes really easy for me to take care of my hair. I actually don't get much time to do champi and all those sort of things, so what I do is I just try and mix these sort of ingredients. Sometimes I also mix olive oil instead of the coconut oil, but I feel that coconut oil works best for my hair. So if coconut or olive oil works good for your hair, then you can use that as well. So yes, just after applying the mask, I'm just going to again put it in a bun like this. Yes, and again try and apply it on top of my hair. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is for the heat, I'm just going to take this hand napkin, and I have already wetted with lukewarm water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all over my head like this and let it get settled. Let the heat go into my roots and hair and give all the benefits and good things to it. And yeah, and now I am to keep this like 20 minutes, and then I am just going to wash my hair. So see you after 20 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm back after washing my hair, and this is how shinier my hair looks like. If you can see the shine over here, I mean, like, my hair feels so damn soft, so damn soft. I just love. So I just want you to give this recipe a shot. Please do use it, and please let me know into the comment section below that how did this work for your hair. I am damn sure that this is going to like do wonders to your hair, so please do it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Until then, please take care and bye bye. I love you all.